This AI can help save lives. But how is a mind like this actually born?
It's not magic, and it's not born. An AI model is built. It's an engineering process.
Welcome to the AI Factory. Let's walk through the 6 essential steps of the machine learning workflow.
Step 1, the blueprint. We start by clearly defining the problem we need to solve.
Step 2, data collection. We gather all the raw materials, in this case, thousands of brain scans.
This data is often messy, so it must be cleaned, formatted, and accurately labeled by human experts. Step 3, model selection. We choose the right learning paradigm for the job. Since we have labels, we'll use supervised learning. Step 4, training. The labeled data is now fed into the model to begin the learning process. The model adjusts its internal weights over and over, minimizing its errors with each example it sees. Step 5, evaluation. We test the trained model on fresh, unseen data to see how well it performs. If it's not accurate enough, we go back and tune the model's parameters to improve its performance. Step 6, deployment. The finished model is integrated into a real-world application. From a simple question to a powerful, working tool, this is the complete journey of an AI model. And it's a living process. New data from the real world can be used to continuously improve the model over time. Almost every AI you use, from your phone to your car, has gone through this fundamental journey. What real-world problem would you solve with AI? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to AI Academy for more.